Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to apply filters to your picture on the printer application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the printer icon down below, which is the first option, and click on Photos in the second column. Select a picture, then tap on the Done button at the top. Now click on the Edit button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Click on Photo Editor. Tap on the second option down below, Filter. And if you slide to the right side of the screen, you can see that you have a bunch of options. And if you tap on one of these options, you will be able to see that you have many sub filters in that category. There are subcategories, so you can check out how they look like when you apply them to your photo. After selecting the one that you prefer the most, click on the check mark button down below and then the save button, and then you will be able to print it out or save it. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.